Indonesia's secret paradise, exploring Khayangan Beach Resort in Bengkayang. Most people have never heard of this incredible beach in Indonesia. I honestly wasn't expecting this hidden paradise to look this beautiful. Before you book your next beach holiday, you need to see this place. Welcome to one of Indonesia's best-kept secrets. This tropical paradise completely changed my opinion about Borneo. Wait until you see what we discovered just a few minutes into this journey. If you think Bali is Indonesia's best beach destination, think again! Today we're exploring a place that almost nobody outside Indonesia knows about. This might just be the most underrated beach resort in Southeast Asia. Stay until the end because this beach keeps getting more beautiful the further we explore. Have you ever dreamed of discovering a hidden tropical paradise far from the crowds? A place where crystal clear water, golden beaches, and peaceful ocean views create the perfect escape! Today, we're taking you to one of Borneo's best-kept secrets! Welcome to Khayangan Beach Resort in Singkawang, Indonesia! Nestled along the beautiful coastline of West Borneo, this hidden gem offers stunning scenery, warm local hospitality, and a relaxing atmosphere that many international travelers have yet to discover! GJ everyone, and welcome back to Reza Singkawang! If you love hidden destinations, authentic local culture, and unforgettable travel experiences, you're in the right place! In this video, we'll explore the resort, enjoy the breathtaking coastline, discover peaceful beaches, colorful fishing boats, seaside cafes, and experience the charm of everyday life in Singkawang! It's a destination where nature and culture come together beautifully! If you're watching from Australia, the United States, Canada, Europe, or anywhere else in the world, I hope this journey inspires your next adventure! Before we begin, let me know where you're watching from by leaving a comment below! And if you enjoy discovering amazing places that most tourists have never seen, don't forget to subscribe for more hidden gems across Indonesia! Now, sit back, relax, and let's explore the beautiful Khayangan Beach Resort together! As we continue exploring Khayangan Beach Resort, you'll soon discover that this is a place where you can simply slow down and enjoy the moment. Listen to the gentle waves, feel the refreshing sea breeze, and take in the stunning turquoise waters that make this hidden corner of Borneo so special. Unlike many crowded tourist destinations, Khayangan Beach Resort offers a peaceful atmosphere where nature takes center stage. You'll see families relaxing by the beach, children playing along the shoreline, and visitors enjoying the beautiful coastal scenery. These simple moments capture the true charm of Singkawang. Indonesia is famous for places like Bali, but beyond the well-known destinations are countless hidden gems waiting to be explored. Khayangan Beach Resort is one of them, a quiet escape surrounded by natural beauty and a perfect place to unwind. Throughout this walk, I'll share some of the best views, relaxing spots, and unique scenery that make this beach worth visiting. If you enjoy cinematic walking tours and authentic travel experiences, you're in the right place. If you're enjoying the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps more people discover the incredible beauty of Indonesia. Now, let's continue exploring Khayangan Beach Resort and experience one of Singkawang's most peaceful coastal destinations together. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through Khayangan Beach Resort in Singkawang. I hope you've enjoyed discovering this peaceful hidden gem and experiencing the natural beauty of West Kalimantan. Indonesia is home to thousands of incredible destinations, and beyond the famous tourist spots are many beautiful places waiting to be explored. Singkawang is one of them, and I'm excited to continue sharing its unique landscapes, culture, and stories with viewers around the world. If you enjoyed this video, let me know your favorite part in the comments. And if you're watching from Australia, the United States, Canada, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, or anywhere else, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future adventures across Borneo and Indonesia. There are many more hidden beaches, cultural experiences, historical sites, and breathtaking destinations still to come. Thank you for your support and for spending your time with me today. Until our next adventure, stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video here on Reza Singkawang. Safe travels and cheers!